everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic social organization in non-human primates. First of all, as an introduction, it seems quite certain that from very early periods in their evolutionary history, most primates were social animals in which they moved around in as an organized tribal groups. A high degree of social evolution has occurred in non-human primates. Most species such as lemurs, monkeys, baboons and alphabet apes live in as an organized society. And these societies vary greatly in the extent of territoriality, the relative group size, home range size, the degree of dominance behavior, type of mating systems and so on. Next, I am going to discuss about the social life of non-human primates in detail. That is, among the primates, there is an astonishing array of social organization. For example, lemurs live in mixed groups of 12 to 20 individuals, which may include several adult males and several breeding females. To make the group a permanent cohesive unit, there is a dominant hierarchy among them, and they are also characterized by the territoriality. Their territories are defended by the calls, which is sufficient to warn or alert the neighboring groups to retreat them. During breeding seasons, with the exception of frequent minor disputes, serious fights are rare among them. So the social life of lemurs involves non-aggressive interaction between the individuals. The most common character among them is mutual grooming. That is, among the lemurs, mothers groom their infants and adults groom each other. The social grouping and behavior of lemurs are typical of the non-human primate societies in general. Gibbons lives in pairs and defend a territory of less than 1 kilometer square. On the other hand, baboons wander over an undefended home range of 50 to 20 square kilometers. In many primate species, their groups are well organized and there will be clear-cut social hierarchies in the main intention to reduce inter-group fighting. Unlike the social behavior of insects, the mammalian behavior maintains largely learned behavior rather than the instinctive behavior. In primates, there exists a kind of familial social life. In these animals, young ones remain with their parents for some time or for whole of their life. It is typical of primate society, that is, there is a dominance hierarchy within them. And once this hierarchy is established in as a group, it remains fairly stable. Next, I am going to discuss about the social life of gorillas. The gorillas are the largest primate and the most man-like of all the apes. It leads either a solitary life or live as a small or large polygynous and patriarchal family parties. The number of adult females varies with the dominance of the male leader. That is, according to the dominance of the male leader, the number of adult females changes. Among the adult males, there is a hierarchy of social dominance based on their size, strength, and only these most dominant leader only can mate with the females. And also, only this dominant leader leads the troop and takes appropriate decisions as to where the whole family should feed and rest Only these dominant leader can take the decision. Male often acquires these adult females by luring them or by kidnapping them using their forces. The social organization of gorillas is so stable, that is, there would be no quarrels between the members of the family, and as a result also there would be no fight between males for the leadership. And it is noted that new leader often kills some infants to make the nursing females sexually receptive at the earliest. To make the female sexually receptive, the new leaders often kills the infants. Parental care is highly evolved in gorillas, but mutual grooming is very rare. In lemurs, we see that mutual grooming is common among them, but here it is very rare. And all the newly matured females leave the natal family either to join another family or a solitary male. Next, I am going to discuss about the social life of chimpanzees. Chimpanzees live either in small bands or in large social groups, which is called communities. Their large group may consist of 50 or more members. Of these, 6 to 8 are adult males and 10 to 50 are adult females. And others include infants, juveniles and adolescents of both the sexes. Chimpanzees during daytime, their groups breaks up into small parties and go around in search of their food. But at night, all these parties reassembles for rest and sleep. The postnatal parental care among the chimpanzees is highly evolved. Just as human beings, they also rely more on learned behavior than the innate behavior. Among the chimpanzees, the infants and the mother have a strong sentimental bond for years, and the separation between them makes it so heartbreaking for the infant. The chimpanzees have no true language, and however they produce a variety of sounds by which they can communicate with each other. That is, they produce the sound which they can understand each other. They, like human beings, they also communicate by touch and gestures. And that's all. Thank you.